In this video, I want to show you how to create a native funnel chart. Normally, we have a funnel chart in Power BI by clicking this funnel chart, and we have stage. I want to show stages and the values. So you can see the funnel chart here, but I don't really like this funnel chart. And I found a way to create a funnel chart in Power BI, a native one using bar chart, two bar charts. So let's do that. You can click on this. So we have this bar chart, a very beautiful bar chart. So go to the formatting pane and make sure you on the ribbons. So we have this, but we want this bar chart and the ribbons to have the same color. Come here, the transparency put at 0, and the bar chart I want to change the color also to something like this. So we have something like this. So now let's format this pane. Let's format everything. Go to the x-axis, move everything. Go to the y-axis, move everything. Go to the title. I don't want this. Move everything. So we have something like this. So we want to have this thing twice, right? So before that, let's just change the padding also. The padding to 0. All of the padding to 0. Yeah, so we have this. So now let's create this thing, this beautiful funnel chart in another one. So just copy and paste it, and I have created a negative value so that it will make this bar chart to face the opposite side. So you just have to remove this one and replace it with our negative value by removing this one. We have this. So what we're going to do is we want to sort this one in descending order. Let's do that. Sort in ascending order. So we have this. So what we're going to do is you can just put the two together side by side. So yeah, we have our funnel chart. So you can bring in a platform as a filter to see how it works, just like this platform. And I want this. Can you see? These are our funnel charts using bar charts. Maybe you can use this one also to make it look in another dimension, but this works great. Thank you.